Four things I wish I knew before I started investing in my 20s. In my early 20s, I thought you needed to have a lot of money before you can start investing. But I was wrong. Back then and until today, there are investments you can start with as little as 1,000 pesos. Moreover, I wish I understood the power of compounding in investments back then so that I could have started investing early. Because even a small amount can grow significantly over the years. I encountered a lot of get rich quick schemes when I was young. I wish I didn't allow myself to get distracted and just ignore them. I should have just focused on learning how to save and invest. I wish I didn't follow investing trends, which turned out to be very risky investments. Smart investing is choosing the boring investments that just steadily grows over time. There are a lot of things I wish I knew before I started investing, but there's no time for regrets because the good news is it's never too late to start. So start investing today.